Last time I shared to you the ABC quiz that I made for my son Adriel. Now I will share to you these DIY activities that you might want to do also with your kids at home. And you will also meet my other son, Gabriel. This is my first DIY project for their ABC activities. You need any cardboard, Sharpie, duct tape, and popsicle stick. If you have an old box that still can be used, save it. Rectangle boxes are the best for this project. You can use any color duct tape as long as you use black Sharpie. Retrace the letter as many times as you need to thicken the font. Now let's write the letters on both sides of the popsicle stick. Carefully cut a small slit in the middle of the letters that's written in the box. The cut should be just enough to fit the popsicle stick. You got L. Very good. What about you, Adi? What is this? What D? Okay, the D is there. Okay. Good job.
I got the letter S.
Okay, what about?
I got the letter S.
What next? Get one. Okay, I give you the letter. What about this one? What letter is that?
O.
Okay, where's the O? You got
I
it.
got the letter B.
Letter B? Wow, good job, Kuya. What about this? What letter is that?
I got the letter
T.
A.
Where's the T? Letter A. Good job. Okay, is that what letter is that?
I got the letter
T.
W.
W. Okay, this is T. Okay, what is letter is this?
U.
U. Okay. Good job, Adi. This
S.
S. Good job. Okay. You found it.
I got the letter R.
You got the letter R?
Yeah.
Okay. What about this one, Adi? What is this one? Letter K. I found K there. I found the K. You found it, Adi? Good job.
I found the letter P.
Okay, good job. Good job. What is this one?
And then the letter.
Oh, I love. It's there. There's an I. There's an I here level. There you go.
I got
Okay.
the letter E.
Okay, here. Good job, Kuya. C. Gabe, look. Oh, this is not a G. That's not a G.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's not supposed to be there. Okay, Adi, you can put the letter C there now.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know that.
You thought it's the letter G?
Yeah.
Okay. What is that? Q? Whoa.
Adriel doesn't know that.
I know, you're gonna do this last one. Good job, Adi. What about this? Okay, where's the H? Yay! You got the last one! Very good! Up here. Yes! Yes! Good job, guys! This is my second DIY project for their ABC activities. You need white cardboard, scissor, printable alphabet, and glue. Begin by cutting the letters individually. Then cut 6 long strips of the cardboard. Then cut it into small squares. Then use the leftover cardboard to glue your printable ABC. My idea is to hide the letters that I have made in their sandbags that they already have. Once they find them, they will match the letters to the board.
Find it and then put it in there. Okay, good job. Okay, what about you, Adi? What letter is that? Huh? What letter is this? Huh? Can you find it? What you got? I. Okay, put the I there. Put the I here. Okay, the L. Good job. Got the L. Oh, what about you? What else? T. T. There, T. T. Oh, what else? What else? What else? What about you? You got some.
I found the letter A.
Yay. What about you, Adi? Can you put this U? Yeah, there you go. Oh, okay. Okay, what else? Give me more letter. There you go. Okay, give me more letter. What's that? That's a B. A B. Ah, okay. Can you get a letter for me?
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again.